in recent time, what everyone is looking for, especially draw farmers, is token that is already listed that they can mine. Right, that is why you can see Make is growing, because it's already listed. We can sell it. It's not the one that they will be giving you audio promise, and that is why I'm doing this video on Roodcoin. So Roodcoin is a token that is already listed on Solana. It's already listed. It's on their screen now. All right, and before I continue this tutorial, I'm going to also show you where it is listed. Okay, you can see this screenshot now. This is the screenshot that I screenshotted, but I have to confirm it because of this tutorial. All right, so you just mine it and you can sell when you reach the minimum withdrawal. All right, on that note, I say welcome to Solid Crypto Academy. Here we post update 24/7, but the most important one, we post it every 3 days in this channel. So make sure you subscribe and also on your notification, so that when we post, you will be the first to see it. All right, so let's go on. So the first thing is, let's copy the CA and confirm the token before we go to the main tutorial. All right, so let me go to their screen now. Alright, so as you can see on their screen, this is the token on their screen now, Rood USDC, and it's listed on Radium. So for you to sell now, you know it's very simple. When you withdraw it to your Solana wallet, all you just need to do is to do what? Just click on swap, and it will swap directly on your Solana wallet. Alright, but you need to have a little gas fee on Solana for you to do that. Alright, so you can see the token is already listed. It's already listed. This is the token here, and this is the current price of the token. You can see in the last 24 hours, for you to know, it's down 60%. Why? Because many people are looting and also mining, right? So that is just about that. You can see in the last 6 hours it has gone up 32%, but in 24 hours it's down 60% because people are looting it. So you are also expected to loot it after you know how it works right now. All right, so let's go back to Telegram. So the first thing you need to understand is that when you click on the link to join, which is going to be in the description of this video, go to the market, subscribe to their channel, and claim the GTS 1060 for free. All right, one of the things you need to understand is that they are trying to tell you that you need to buy a machine to mine. On that, understand, but this particular first one is free. It's free. You can see my machine is mining here. You can see my machine is mining here, and this one is the part is free. It's free. But when you join, you just click on this place. When you join, you click on this place. You click on this place, right? When you click on this place, you will see that it is going to be empty first. Then you click here. You click here. You will see the free one. Just click claim and install. All right. So this particular one, you can just, if you want to take it to the next level, you can just buy Rood. When you buy Rood, you come and activate it here. All right. But the one I'm telling you now is the free one. Is the free one. You claim and you install it. When you install it, you start mining. All right. When you start mining, you can buy different type of machine here, depending on you. That depends on you. All right. For me, I didn't buy machine, so I'm just telling you that it is legit. All right, so if you want to withdraw, let's say you have reached 10 and you want to withdraw, this is the place to withdraw. You click on this place and you can see, okay, this is referral and referral bonus, and referral bonus is not actually the token, it just gives you more speed to the mining. All right, you want to withdraw, you will see your balance here. You click on withdraw, you put your Solana address so that you can withdraw, and it will arrive in seconds or even in minutes. And if you want to deposit to maybe buy machine, you click on this deposit and you are good to go. All right, so the most important thing you need to understand is that the update is legit. Why is it legit? You even see it by what I'm mining here. It is hard to mine, it takes time, but the halving is coming soon. So what should you do now? Jump on this, be consistent, and the halving is coming around September. From now to September, you should have made a good amount if you are consistent with it. It's legit, it's listed. You don't need to wait for audio promises. We are dealing with sales, we are dealing with the team says this, that. So it's already listed. So what are you waiting for? All right, so please, we post every 3 days, and we have updates on our Telegram and WhatsApp, where we post updates every minute, every time, every hour. So you need to join us there. All right, so please subscribe, help us reach 2K subscriber before the end of the year, and you will keep seeing us here every 3 days dropping new legit updates. We don't do anything scam, right? So having said that, if you have mined enough and you want to claim, you just click on the claim. You click on claim. Okay, of course people are looting it, so it's normal. Okay, you can see what I claim is already here. It's already here. It's as far as that. So but before you can withdraw, you will reach 10 Rood. But the idea is this: updates like this always have more updates to follow. What did I mean? Updates like this always maybe adjustments and all those things. For you to stay active, join the community and you will see when we post it, right? So another thing you need to understand again is that we have a lot of updates. Like you can see this particular one, I did a tutorial yesterday, day for yesterday on it. You can see it. So there are many updates in our channel. If you can just scroll, there's MEC, there are many updates. You don't need investments, you just need to put your time down and you are good to go. All right, you just need to like use smart money, and that is it. All right, you can see it. So please help yourself and make a lot of money with us here. It is all legit, we don't do anything scam. And if you have questions, you can just drop in the comment section, and I will also try my best to respond. All right, but if I don't respond on time, you can just join our community. You can see me always in the community. Just tag me and I will respond. All right, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video.